So I just received the Jio Tag Go, the device tracking tag, which this is for Android, and very simple packing it comes with, and you just open the box over here. You will find, other than the Jio Tag Go, you get a spare battery over here and a couple of manuals. So if I have a look at that, one is the quick start guide, which gives you the process how to use it, and secondly is the warranty, whatever is covered in the warranty, and you can actually use it using two different apps. One is the Find My Device app, and the other one is the Jio Things app. So I will show you how it looks with Find My Device. So if you just turn it over, you'll find a circle over here. Just keep it pressed on. For the first time, when you just press this on, it gives you a music, and you start receiving pop-ups on your phone. So you start getting this prompt the first time you turn on the device, which basically says, oh, it's disappeared, and you will see it will appear once again. Yeah. So it keeps appearing and disappearing that a Jio Tag Go device has been found, and I just click on connect. So it takes me to the Find My Device app, which I was already there, and I click agree and continue. So I have my Jio Tag over here. So it is now saying that it is added to the Find My Device app. I click open app. So now you can see it is able to show you the location on Google Maps. Now you can also do things with Jio Things app, but currently I am going to show you something to do with the Find My Device app. There you have the gear icon, so you click there, and you are actually able to change the name, device name, the category, the ring volume, and various other options over here. So look further, and you also have an option to share the device. So I am appearing as the owner. If I go back, I have an option of sharing the device. So if I click on share device, it tells you that it's going to create a link for it, and you can share it through WhatsApp. So just do continue. It tells me to whom I want to share. I click WhatsApp, and I just select myself and click continue. So here you see I already had created this message earlier. It gives you a unique link. On opening this, it takes you to Find My Device. To any recipient you share with, they are going to get that, and the device then gets added to your Find My Device. Now you have an option to mark the device as lost or also play a sound. So I have my device over here, and let me play a sound. So I can stop the sound by pressing here. So basically this is a way to search for the device. Currently it's priced at 1500 rupees. I will also show you how you can open it, because I didn't find an option to reset it, because once you power it on, it doesn't give you the option of initial setup. So first time when you just press this and turn it on, you are able to actually get a beep sound, and then you get that pop-up message that a nearby geotag is found. And this uses some kind of Android tracking technique, because even if you have Bluetooth turned off, this still works fine. Hopefully this is helpful to track not just your goods, but even you can use it for your kids who are traveling across and who don't have access to mobiles. I'll also show you now how to open this and change the additional battery that has been provided. So what you need to do is just twist it across, and from the place where you have this tag attached, just using plastic or something like that, you can just rotate it all across. There are interlocks. So once you rotate it all across, you can, it just opens very easily, and you have the battery over here. So CR2032 battery provided, and it is said that it can last for a year. You also have a spare battery provided inside the packaging. And to close it, close the cover back once again, you need to ensure that the arrows match each other. So you have two arrows. Basically what you see as a ring over here has a button connected at the bottom. So here is the button. So when you press, this is the button which tracks everything. So I just put both the pieces one on top of the other, and just press it all across, and it's good enough. So just to test it, I just double click twice. Yeah, which essentially means that the tracker is working fine. You can also cross check by checking it over here on the Find My Device. So since it is showing fine, which means the tracker is working. So you just need to think on objects which do not have a SIM connectivity, because this relies totally on Android Find My Device network. So when you give your car for servicing, which is not a connected car, you can well hide this tracker, and if not a precise but an approximate location, you can come to know whether the car has been taken out or not. Hope this helps you to make a decision on whether you want to go for such tracking devices, which are currently helpful these days to maintain safety of your goods and also your family members. Thanks for watching this video, and please do share your thoughts, comments in the comment section below. Bye bye.